Once you get to the yard, this is what I do. So I have to find a space for the trailer to drop it. So once I get space, I have to reverse and take it easy. You have to watch everything around you, front, back, everything. Especially if you have a small yard, you have to watch and be careful. If you are not sure, get out and check the other side, the blind side. Okay, once you get in, you reverse back. So in this position, everything seems alright. So you have to reverse back, and once you get it between two trailers, what you have to do, you have to switch the engine off, take the keys off, take your gloves and get out. So the first thing what you have to do, once you get around, put the parking brake of the trailer off. Once you do that, go to the fuses or the cables. You have to take them off. Yeah, one by one, make sure they are safe. Get down, go around, and you can do visual check while walking around. Take your number plate, visual check again, and the kingpin, take it off. That's it. Go inside the truck, switch the engine on, and move a little bit forward and put your suspension down, so you don't have to go out quickly. So you have to put your suspension down so you don't hit anything. Once you're finished, I go to wash the truck. Take the keys off, wind the windows up, and start washing the truck. At the moment, yeah, that's it. Take the wire, make sure all the drive what is clean for him or her. Get rid of all the insects, anything. Wash it really well like that. Don't forget your mirrors, your windows, everything. Go on the other side, do the same. Then use the water now to clean everything now. Soap still get enough. Don't forget to switch the button for the soap not to go on like that. Keep pressing. And don't forget to wash the truck inside as well. Not wash it, but clean it. You don't throw water inside the truck. Once you clean it, that's it. Switch the machine off. Just take the truck around for fueling. So you need to fuel up again. For the driver, so when they start, they will find everything good. That's it. Reverse, take it easy. Don't go too fast. This is our yard. To fuel up, you use the fob. There is a fob you can use. Put your mileage. And fuel up. Don't forget AdBlue afterwards. So once you do that, go and put some AdBlue and then park up. Take your card off, driver card off, and go home. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I do this every week at the end of my working week. So as you look, I clean the truck, take my gears off the truck and park it up for the next driver. Thank you very much for watching, and please don't forget to leave any comments and subscribe for more videos. Thank you very much. Goodbye.